Use your target keyword in the first 100 words. Using your target keyword in the first 100 words is an important part of any successful SEO strategy. By including it at the beginning of a piece of content, you can ensure that search engines understand what the page is about and that it's relevant to people searching for certain terms. It's also beneficial for readers as it helps them quickly grasp the main point of the article or blog post. Additionally, using your target keyword in the first 100 words allows you to be more specific and detailed about the subject matter, which can help make your content stand out from competitors. Moreover, by consistently using keywords throughout your content, you can increase its visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs. Ultimately, when used correctly, including your target keyword in the first 100 words can be a powerful tool for boosting SEO rankings and improving reader engagement. Wrap your blog post title in an H1 tag. Using an H1 tag to wrap your blog post titles is a great way to ensure that your content stands out in the eyes of any reader. Not only does it make the title easier to read, but it also helps search engines effectively understand what your post is about. With a clear and properly formatted title, readers will be more likely to click through and read your content. Furthermore, using an H1 tag will help you improve your SEO scores, since it gives search engine crawlers a specific context for the topic of your article. When wrapped in an H1 tag, the title of your blog post will appear clearly on both mobile and desktop devices, allowing readers to quickly find what they are looking for. A well-crafted headline is essential for engaging readers and drawing them in to explore the rest of your content. Optimize your URLs for SEO. Optimizing your URLs for SEO can be a great way to help boost your website's visibility in search engine results. By making sure that your URLs are organized and easy to understand, you can help both potential visitors and search engines find your web pages more easily. It is also important to ensure that the words used in the URL accurately describe the content of the page so that they match up with relevant search queries. Additionally, use keywords that are relevant to your content but keep them short and concise. Finally, make sure all elements of the URL are properly separated by hyphens or underscores. Following these tips can help you optimize your URLs for SEO and improve your website's visibility online. Optimize title and description tags. Title and description tags are very important when it comes to SEO. Optimizing these tags can help improve a website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. Title tags should be concise and descriptive, while description tags should provide more detail about the page's content. Additionally, keywords should be included strategically throughout both tags so that they appear in search engine queries. It is important to keep track of changes made to title and description tags, as this can have an impact on a website's ranking. By optimizing these tags and monitoring their performance, website owners can ensure that their site is receiving the maximum amount of visibility from search engines. Use unique, keyword-rich meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are an essential part of SEO, and having keyword-rich ones can make a significant difference when it comes to search engine optimization. To create effective meta descriptions, it's important to use unique phrases that accurately reflect the content on the page and contain appropriate keywords that people might be searching for. These should be concise, no more than 160 characters, and focus on conveying the main idea of the page. Additionally, they should include a call to action so that readers have an incentive to click through and visit your website. Crafting unique, keyword-rich meta descriptions is key in order to ensure that your website stands out among the competition and gets noticed by search engines. Fill in missing meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are an important part of a website's SEO success. They provide valuable information to search engines, which helps them determine the relevance of your website to a given search query. It is essential that these meta descriptions are properly filled in for maximum exposure. Fortunately, it is easy to fill in missing meta descriptions for your website. There are many tools available online, such as Yoast SEO and Rank Math, that allow you to quickly and easily create meta descriptions for each page on your site. Additionally, you can manually create meta descriptions for each page by providing a brief summary of what the page is about and including relevant keywords. Filling in missing meta descriptions can be a tedious task, but it is well worth it in the end as it can potentially increase your website's visibility online. Boost your page speed. One of the best ways to boost your page speed is to optimize your images. By compressing and resizing images, you can reduce their file size without losing quality. Additionally, you should use caching and minification techniques which allow your browser to store commonly used elements and compress them for faster loading times. You should also reduce redirects and enable compression so that pages load more quickly. Finally, make sure to keep your content up to date by frequently updating plugins and other content elements. By following these steps, you can get a significant boost in page speed performance and ensure that your users have a great experience on your site. Do proper external and internal linking. External and internal linking are essential for a website's success. External links show search engines that your website is connected to other websites and that it is relevant to the topic at hand. Internal linking helps keep users on your website longer and encourages them to explore other pages. It also helps with search engine optimization by allowing search engines to quickly find related content within your site. When creating external and internal links, it's important to make sure they are relevant and contextual so that the user is directed to helpful information. Additionally, each link should have descriptive anchor text so that the user understands what page they will be directed to when clicking on the link. Proper external and internal linking can help improve a website's ranking in search engine results, as well as its overall user experience.